Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're here with another driving video. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video, comment on the video, and share as well, because all that will help YouTube to push the videos to new persons, to persons that have never been on the channel, so that new persons can become a part of the family. So as I mentioned, it's another driving video. Right now we're on Knutsford Boulevard in New Kingston. So we're doing a drive from Knutsford Boulevard to Haughton Avenue and Cargill Avenue as well. So stay tuned, watch till the end. I think they're doing some preparation right now for Sagicor Sigma run. It will be a virtual run, but I think they'll still have like a launch party or open ceremony in the morning. But it will be mainly virtual. You know, it's not like past years when we have, you know, tens of thousands of persons. You know, I've covered last year's Sigma run. It's on the channel, where it showcased the thousands of persons that took part. I think it was over 50,000, probably close to 100,000 persons. So yeah. So they're doing some painting on the road, so we had to detour from Knutsford Boulevard. And again, we're driving Knutsford Boulevard to Haughton Avenue to Cargill Avenue. So stay tuned, watch till the end. So we're on Grenada Crescent, New Kingston. You know, this is where most of the head office for the big companies are, and a lot of corporate companies. Right in front of us is the Courtly Auditorium. It's kind of like a plaza. I think some apartments is at the top as well. Very, very unique design. Lots of glass. Well, 80% glass. And you know, the lower floors have businesses and different offices as well. Alright, so the Sigma run is this Sunday, 21st. And yeah, you guys will be running virtually. Alright, so we'll pass this place. Sorry, we're passing places like JMB, JPS, Scotia, NCP. And we're now entering Trafalgar Road. National Works Agency is also doing some painting of the lanes. So if you can see right on the right of the screen, that's the painting truck. The side we're on is already painted, so as you can see, the paint is bright because it recently got painted. It's a good initiative because, you know, a lot of Jamaica's roads are not painted in terms of lanes. So persons just drive here, there, and everywhere and just create their own imaginary lanes. So it's a good initiative by the National Works Agency. So we're gonna take the right here onto Haughton Avenue. I'm just gonna show you guys around that side. It's a very quiet and secluded commercial area in New Kingston that a lot of persons, you know, don't have any reason to go and don't really know about. So just wanted to highlight them. So it's kind of like a cul-de-sac. So just gonna show you guys around that side. So we're now entering Haughton Avenue. On my right is the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. We just passed the Consumer Affairs Commission as well, which is beside the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. So we're on Haughton Avenue. A few well, it's mainly business places on this road, you know, from lawyers' offices, a lot of lawyer offices, You also have an entire area dedicated to JMB. So it's like a little JMB, what would you say, a plaza? You know, it's an entire area dedicated to JMB. So this is a corporate area that's gonna go in with you guys. All these complexes right now are JMB complexes. Well painted, looking very bright, looking nice. So different offices for JMB. I think you also have a NCB Wellness Center right in front of us as well. So again, very secluded area in New Kingston. Not a lot of persons have reasons to come around this side. And JMB take up a lot of space around this side as well. Alright, so from On Avenue, we'll go on to Cargill Avenue. So these are some of the offices for JMB and also one of their branch, On Avenue branch. Alright guys, so it's just a quick driving video just highlighting some of the areas in New Kingston. So we'll take the left here, which this is now Cargill, and it leads to a cul-de-sac, and the other end leads back to Trafalgar Road. We also just passed an open lot in front of us when we were turning. It's kind of weird how that lot is there for so long without any development, you know, especially in this well sought after New Kingston neighborhood. So we just passed Trafalgar Travel, and again a lot of travel agencies, a lot of lawyers' offices. Not seeing really any residential lots, so it's mainly business lots. Alright, so this is another plaza. Basically every office on it is a lawyer office. Alright, so we head back down now to Trafalgar Road. On the left right here though, number 16 with the palm trees on the gate, it looks residential. So this may be the only residential lot in this area. I guess it's the last surviving lot, because probably it was a residential neighborhood first until, you know, New Kingston expanded out to this area. And then as I said, on the left right here is an empty lot. It's kind of weird, there's no development on it yet. And then that big building in front of us is the NCB Atrium. One of the, I think probably it's the NCB main office, possibly. So it's the NCB Atrium. It's right beside the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica as well. Alright guys, so it was a quick drive on Avenue and Cargill Avenue, just highlighting that little commercial district for you guys. Remember to leave your comments, let me know what you think about that area. Remember to like the video, comment on the video, and share so that someone else can see as well. So thanks for watching, thanks for the support, and let me know if you're going to Sigma, and if you have ever participated in Sigma, let me know your time as well. I'm not so proud of my time, but yeah, let me hear you guys' times. So that's NWA again, marking the road, well needed. So that's the road painting, road marking machine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on another video.